Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make background transparent in Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all I'm going to go to the apps menu. We're going to use one of the app on Canva to make the background of our photo transparent. I'm going to go to the apps and then we're going to search for the background remover. Okay, background remover or background eraser, it's the same. I'm going to choose the background eraser and I'm going to select this one, and then we're going to upload our photo. I'm going to choose right guys, for example I'm going to choose this photo. I'm going to click on open and click on remove background, and the background will be removed from our photo and it will become transparent. Okay, as you can see guys, that the background has been removed and this is the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to make background transparent in Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.